Hey guys, Games Katniss here again with episode 2 of my survival. This is a little different because I used to be in that house. Then all the villagers just like one night camped in with me. They were like, "Hey, what's up?" So I decided to migrate over to this house. So yeah, and in between episodes I did get some coal. I got that. For now this is our home. But this episode I want to get a new home and we will do so. I have more wood. I know I do. Let me in. I need one more leather. Okay. I don't have a lot of wood, but yeah, I need more, definitely. What am I doing? Let me down. I know I can just get the wood from here, but then it wouldn't be pretty. Water would just be spilling out everywhere. I'm gonna make my house over there, in between the village and the ravine, so I can go down in there anytime I want to. That'll be nice. I need at least 64 pieces, because this thing is gonna be huge. I probably should have built some of it in between the episode. That's what I'm gonna do later on. I'm gonna build in between the episodes, so you guys just won't have to watch the entire thing with me building. Because I know that's not very interesting. You guys want more. You guys want action. I did say I was going to go into the ravine this episode. Yep, let's do that. I'll get more wood later. I'll just go ahead and take this wood with me because I can. Because I'm a boss. Like an awesome boss. And yeah. We are good. And hopefully those will grow. And I'm pretty armored up. I need a lot of iron though. So I did take, in between the episodes, I did take a look in the ravine, and I did, my mistake, fall in there. So I grabbed some coal, but don't worry, I didn't put anything or place anything back in there, so it's good. Don't think I cheated. All I did was take some coal. Ugh, my throat. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right there where that sheep is. Or maybe I'll move it closer. I don't know. I'll think about it. I'll think about it, guys. Don't worry. Okay. It's over here. Oh, wait. What am I doing? Oops, my bad. My B. I forgot to turn on mobs. Silly Katniss. I need to jump in the other way. What time is it? Okay, it's noon. It's noon, everyone. Don't worry, it's noon. I got stuck down there. Whoa! Okay. I know. Oh! Okay, stupid idiot Katniss. I didn't bring enough torches. What? Spider, shut up real quick. What? I made a crafting table. Minecraft is being weird. Okay. Where's this spider coming from? My god. Come on. I have cobblestone, but I need more. Oh, silly Katniss once again. Okay, let's build a cross. My hands hurt. Hopefully this ravine won't be a dud and it'll have some diamonds in here. Okay, that's where the iron was. So, yeah. Here's... Whoa, whoa. Zombies. There's a creeper. I don't think they can't reach me, can they? Doesn't look like it. No, they're good. They're good. And also, if you're wondering what that noise in the background... No, are you serious? Where did he come from? Where did that come from? Sorry I'm so quiet, guys. There's nothing really to talk about. I am thy iron finder. Where is that stupid little spider? And ring coal. Okay. Good thing there's a endless supply over here. Just organizing. I must be organized. I'll leave that there for now. Okay. Let's go back this way, shall we? Ooh! Some gold! What? Okay. I want your armor. I can't see anything! Okay, let me up, let me up. Ah! God, you scared me! Sorry about that. It scared me. Your zombie, you're scary. Meow. Okay, I feel better. I feel much more confident. You see, where are all these zombies coming from? I know it's a cave, but for reals? Oh, hey! We're friends! Not what I wanted to do. I'm going deeper into the cave. This isn't... It's not what I wanted. This isn't what I want to do this episode. Gosh. Stop. Stop, skeleton. Okay. Ah, that noise. Okay. Staircase. What the heck are where? Where are they coming from? I have a bunch of arrows in me. That's not good. It's not. Hey, zombie. Just stay over there, buddy. Thanks. Okay. Here we go. I think I'm only gonna do survival episodes during the day because if I'm ever in a cave, like in real world at night, and I'm making a video at night, it just scares me so bad because every time I run up on a creature, I just get scared, like to the point of wetting my pants scared. Just kidding, but seriously, I don't like recording in the dark unless it's on multiplayer. Then I feel safe and sound. Okay. More iron. Hey, buddy, you picked up my cobblestone. Thanks. Thank you very much for returning that. Is that it? Nope. If there's ever just like one piece of gold or iron, always dig around because there's probably more around that you just that isn't visible. So yeah, that's what I always do. Okay, let's go deeper, shall we? Okay. Alright. Some more coal. There. What is this? Yeah, that's a torch that I placed. There. Anything? There's got to be lava, and where there's lava, there is diamond. And redstone. I hear Skelly. Even more gold. We'll take that. Okay. Wow, this is big. Oh, there's that silly little skeleton. Silly guy, what's he doing? I don't know. Crazy. Okay, let me get all that ore that I just missed. Then I'll go back up. Then I'll come back over here. There we go. Even more iron. I require the iron. I did get pumpkins, didn't I? I'm pretty sure I did. So after this, I'll go up to the surface and make us an iron golem. What are we gonna name him? I don't know. I don't know what I want to name him. No. Okay. For a second, I thought I messed that up. Wait, what? Okay. Here we go. Don't fall into lava. Lovely! Yay for Katniss. Come on. Okay, forget that. I need to keep looking for the diamonds. For the diamonds. And I don't think they're in the sky, are they? No. Nah, they're not in the sky. Oh, if only diamonds were in the sky. Not over here. Even more iron. Wow. Finally, I have enough for a full set of iron armor. Oh, where did you come from? Another ravine? I will take that. Wow, these ravines are endless. There's gotta be some diamond in there. I just must get all this. This might turn into a 30-minute episode. This might. It's 2:23. Let's see where we go from here. Even more. Okay. It's not gonna be pretty getting out of this ravine. I'm gonna tell you that. Okay. I hear another skelly. I'll go back there later. Let's head back to that ravine and let's see what's going on. Okay. There's a water source. I won't destroy that. No! Okay. That would have been bad. I don't know what the level is for diamond. I'm a big noob. Let me. Whoa! Any more lapis? Nope. Oh, almost a full stack of iron. Let's aim for that full stack. Why would he go to that? I mean, iron isn't valuable. 100% not valuable. But you can build so much stuff out of it if you get a lot of it. This is the biggest ravine ever that it leads into so many caves. Like so many. It's just too much. Too much to handle. How am I supposed to put that out? Okay. That got rid of it. Okay. Woo. Even more iron. I will take that. Sorry if this episode isn't really entertaining to you guys. I just don't know what to talk about. Like, you guys, tell me in the comment section what you want me to say. And also, guys, I'm very sorry that these episodes are gonna come out in like a bunch. Gonna come out in like the same time because I am at my grandparents right now and their Wi-Fi. Don't even get me started on their Wi-Fi right now. So I'm having to upload these when I get home back to my house. So sorry about that. Oh. Okay. Let's keep going. There's that scary Minecraft noise. I can always rely on that. Okay. Never dig straight down, even if it's just one block. Like that. I'm good. I think I'm set, but oh, definitely. There's gotta be diamonds. Don't even tell me there's no diamonds in here. Don't even start. Like, please, just don't even. If there are no diamonds in here, I'm gonna cry. Wow. This is beautiful. There's gotta be diamonds. Just don't even tell me that there's no diamonds. Because I will cry. Legitimately cry on camera. Well, that just burned. Nope. Any diamonds? Nope. Any? I'm pretty sure this is the level for diamonds. I mean, I don't know the precise level, but I'm pretty sure this is. This thing is huge. Did I really run out of... Wow, I actually ran out of torches. Oops. Like that. Let me up. Yeah, let me up. Okay. Why is there a flower growing down here? This doesn't even make sense. What is this? It's a daisy. Daisies don't grow underground. They grow above ground. What are you doing here, silly little flower? Like, why? That flower is just silly. There are no diamonds in there. Absolutely 0 diamonds in there. I'm gonna cry. Like, for reals? Sure, there's lapis and redstone, but no diamonds? It's just crazy. This is the level, right? You guys, look at where I am underground. Do you see the coordinates? Oh, not the coordinates. Coordinates doesn't matter. But do you, like, look at how far I am underground. Isn't this the right level? Because I'm pretty sure this is the right level for diamonds. Anyway. I don't... No! Not the crafting table. Man. Anything up here? Anything besides iron? That was... Wait, I must look around. There's usually more. No, not anymore. That iron up there is fine. What's gonna bug all you OCD people, so I'll just go get it anyway. Whoa, where did that come from? My God! Where did that come from? Did any of you just see that fall off? What the heck? It's raining creepers. I'm gonna go up here now. It's raining creepers. Sorry about that outburst. What on earth just happened? Nope. I think it's time to get out of the ravine. I just don't feel safe anymore. I feel like I'm being watched. 24/7. Okay, hacks. I had to. I just had to. I mean, really. Excuse me for the hacks, but... You know, these are the rules that I had. That's the only rule I put in this game, is just keep inventory on. Because I'm just such a noob. You know? I'm just too newbie to, like, do this stuff. Put 7 in each. Oh no, I need more. Are you Yay! I don't have any coal. Genius, Katniss. Absolutely genius. Sorry for being so silent. One more block. Okay. Just... I'm gonna go get more coal. That was stupid. What time is it? It's noon again. There's got to be a cave with coal in there. Just spawn some in. No, just kidding. Guess I'm going back to the ravine. Yay. There's got to be coal. There's a derpy squid. What are you doing on land, Squiddy? What are you doing? What was that squid doing? Silly squid. Over here. My neck hurts. What is that? It says coal in it. That'll do. I'm fine with it as long as it has coal. I mean, like, really. I'll make this a little hidey hole later on. No, my pickaxe is gonna break. It's gonna break. And it's gonna break. That's not enough coal. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that. For future videos, this isn't... You can never have enough coal. You know? You can never. Oop, that was stupid. Half a heart, wow. Wow, okay. Half a heart. any coal down here. There's coal down here, then that'll be it. Scary Minecraft noise. I do not appreciate you. Okay, after this batch, I should be good. I want all the coal in the world. That's how much coal I require. It's not enough. All the coal in the world couldn't satisfy me. Like, that's not enough, you know? I'm saying the exact same thing over and over again. Ugh. I'm having brain farts. Momentarily brain fart. What am I talking about? I don't know, but it's probably not very entertaining to you people. Is it getting night? Ooh. I don't want to get sucked any deeper, so after this... No! Are you serious? Minecraft did that to me to be a jag. It just did that to be a jag. Wow, Minecraft. Congrats, you just got your Jag award. What? I've already done this stuff. This is... I don't know. I just don't know. Okay. Oh, whoops. There. I fell out of the world. That hurt. It's still cooking. How is that still cooking? Weird. Ah. Okay. That iron. That armor though. Okay. I need to remember this to call raining creepers. So Jeesh. They had to fall right on my face. They're very rude. Very rude indeed. Oh, I need the gold. That can go in there. Okay. The sun is setting. I think I'm going to slay some mobs this fine evening. Okay. Put in the ink sac. That extra. Okay. I'm looking good. Those villagers need to get in their house. I mean, they have been standing there for the past episode. I don't think of anything else I can make except another bucket. I don't know. I'll just save it. Yeah. I'm gonna get some wood, then I think I'm gonna call this episode quits. So, yeah. Okay. Wake up. Let's go over here. I really wish that in Minecraft, when you go to sleep and stuff is cooking, when you wake up, it would be cooked. Because that's how it would be if you stayed up all night. Like, seriously. Minecraft, at least have one bit of logic. Like, why can't you have one piece of logic? Gosh. More wood. I require more wood as well. And also, all you lovely people, my friend Ryan and my other friend Quackley, my friend Ryan aka Ashes, or Mr. Comment 101, and my other friend Quackley, I'm going to call them my gang, because I've been trying to make videos with them, but they keep crashing. So once I get back to my house, I will make some videos with my gang. Yep, they're pretty awesome. Pretty freaking awesome. And I think you guys have heard of Owl Blocker. I don't know. If you haven't, then she's not part of my gang because she did something to me on Reef MC, sponsor. That we're just not friends anymore. She's Quackley's sister. Anyway, I'm just really good friends with them. Now I've kind of turned on Owl Blocker. So yeah. Well, I'll keep getting wood in between episodes, and then next episode I'll start building the lovely Archer house. So yeah, if you all enjoyed, make sure to slap that like button with your forehead. I really hope you do, because it was raining creepers. It was raining creepers in the cave. I mean, like, why was it raining creepers? That doesn't make sense. It don't make sense. Anyway, hope you dudes all enjoyed. Make sure you slap that like button for more content, or even better, subscribe. I am brain fart. I'm Hungry Games Katniss, and I will see you lovely archers later. Goodbye, everybody. Also, one more thing, guys. I want you guys' feedback on the outside of the house. Should it be made of cobblestone or oak wood? I need to know. Once again, cobblestone or oak wood. I'll show you guys the difference real quick. Just so you know. This is what cobblestone would look like, and this is what oak wood would look like. And then for the floors, it would be birchwood. So yeah, and then it would be outlined with oak wood. Well, yeah, I just need to know what you guys want the outside to look like, either oak wood or cobblestone. Anyway, thanks dudes. Hope you all enjoyed.